It is once again strawberry season. So I'm gonna combine my two favorite recipes, the Copycat Starbucks lemon loaf, and just add strawberries to it. I've never actually tried doing this, so let's see if it turns out. First, you're gonna need about this many strawberries. For the classic Starbucks lemon loaf, you're gonna start with 3 eggs, and 1 cup of sugar. I always do less. 1 cup of sour cream or yogurt. This is a little less than a cup, but you should add a cup. Whisk this up, and then while whisking, add in 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using avocado. Add in 2 tablespoons of lemon extract and the zest of 1 entire lemon. Almost done, we're adding flour next. 1.5 cups. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Yeah, powder. Fold this all in, do not overmix. Going rogue and adding 1/4 cup more flour because I think the strawberries are gonna be so wet and add too much moisture. I'm adding some strawberries in and do a quick mixy mix into the loaf pan and also some on top. Bake at 350 for 50 minutes. For the lemon icing or drizzle, you're gonna mix together powdered sugar and lemon juice. Time to drizzle. I think it's gonna be really delicious. It is